Welcome to Monkey Physics IIT JEE NEET Foundations.
Yeah, so in the previous example, next now this is a little bit comparison with the previous example. So h is given as 100 meters, the height of the building, and it is thrown up with the velocity u is equivalent to 10 meters per second. Now, at a t equivalent to 1 second case, we did it already. In 1 second, it moves up by 5 meters at a t equivalent to 1 second. So the location of the object from the top of the building is 5 meters, but when the location of the object from the ground itself is 105 meters, we did it in the previous case, right? So in that case, we got the displacement as a positive plus 5 because still the object is upward only. Now, here we want to see if we get the displacement as negative, what does it mean? Now, the question is find location of object at t equivalent to 4 seconds. One is from top of a building and the other one is from ground. From ground. So this is what we need to understand. Now same old formula. What is that? So they are asking us a location means we need to find the displacement related to the time at a particular time. Of course, this is not the time they have given as 4 seconds. Now what is the formula we can use? By this time you come to know what is the formula to be used. S is equivalent to ut plus half at square and h is equivalent to ut minus 5t square. And of course acceleration is due to gravity 10 by 2 5. Now this is the formula we should use, right? Now at what time they are asking us? 4 seconds. Now if you substitute t equivalent to 4, what is u value? 10, t is 4 minus 5 into 4 square, right? So h is equivalent to 14 minus 5 into 16. So h is equivalent to 40 minus 5 16s are 18, 80, right? So h is equivalent to minus 40 meters. Now this to be understood, right? So we got this as negative, right? So negative we got means the displacement is downward. So from the starting point of the object, from here, how much downward it has moved? 40 meters. By this time, what is the instant of time we got? 4 seconds. Now clearly one thing we should understand, little bit time we need to spend here to understand this clearly. Now, if it is thrown up with 10 meters per second, so this is 100 meters. It is thrown up with 10 meters per second. Now it takes t equivalent to 1 second to reach maximum height. How? V is equivalent to u minus 10t. V is equivalent to u plus 80, u minus gt. I hope you are following this. So V is equivalent to 10 minus 10 into 1. If you substitute, V is equivalent to 0. So velocity is 0 at the highest point of it, maximum height. Now for this, it took 1 second and again to come back 2 seconds. So t equivalent to 2 seconds. By that time it reaches here. And I gave you what does the time? 4 seconds. So it falls in 2 seconds. Now how much depth it falls? 40 meters. Now at t equivalent to 2 seconds, it reaches to the same level from which it is thrown. So while going up it is 1 second, while coming down it is 1 second, and from here it is 2 seconds. Now while it reaches to the point in downward motion, what is its velocity it is having? Same as 10 meters per second negative. Okay, you got it. Now, and we did it already. At 2 seconds displacement is 0. Okay, so 4 seconds it has fallen down. Now the question in that, what is the location of the object from the top of the building? The answer to the first question is it's 40 meters downward from top of a building. So this is the answer. Location of object at t equivalent 4 seconds from the top of the building is nothing but 40 meters downward. Now answer to the question number 2. If it is 40 meters down, how much is this from the ground? It is 100 total height of the building, right? Now it has fallen down 40 meters. Then what is the remaining distance left over? It's 60 meters. Now, it's 60 meters from ground. And which question they are asking, that you should be careful about, and then you have to give the answer. Because we are attending the competitive exam which is having multiple options. So in those multiple options, especially multi right answers cases, then they can give the options 40 meters downward from the top of the building and 60 meters from the ground. So both are right answers only. So you have to select both the options. Yeah, thank you.